Hello, this video is going to cover the different ways you can change gross commission on both your CDA and the transactions page. A common question that we get is, I'm seeing $0 on gross commission. How do I change that? Or my CDA is showing the wrong gross commission. Both of those stem from the same problem. As you can see, I've created a transaction here where the gross commission says $0. As long as you are a user with permission to go into commissions, you can click on the commissions of that transaction and you can see that the gross commission for our buying side is 3%. The gross commission for the listing side is also 3%, but the gross commission on that first page is saying 0. Why is that? That's because when the transaction was created, the agent or the TC did not enter in a total gross commission. As you can see, this upper left number is a 0, which will reflect on both the CDA and the transactions screen. Now the nice thing about this is it's a very easy fix. To put in a total gross commission, all you must do is click on the 0, update the number. Now if you're tracking both sides of a deal, you can put the true total gross commission in, but most people just keep track of their side, so you can plug in the 3%. Once you do that, all the commission numbers will stay the same. However, when you go into the main screen of the transaction, you'll see that it now has a gross commission. And when you generate the CDA for this deal, you'll also see that same 3% right here. Now, if this is a common occurrence for your brokerage, it's because the transaction is not being created correctly. Where this information should be getting entered in at is when the transaction is first being created by that TC or agent. I will demonstrate that screen here. As you can see, as an agent, I was entering in my deal. I correctly created the buying side. I correctly put in the gross commission and added myself as the agent. What I did not do, however, was put a number in this total gross commission box. If I were to change this to the same 3% that we are earning, that would then plug the same 3% number on the commissions page, which would then reflect on the CDA and the transaction screen. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other questions, please feel free to watch any other video that you want or reach out to us with the chat screen. Have a great day, and we look forward to working with you.